Welcome to our comparison of the Ring Video Doorbell, Pro 2, Nest Doorbell, Wired, and Eufy Security Wi-Fi Video Doorbell. Choosing the right doorbell camera enhances home security and offers convenience. Let's explore these options. The Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 offers 1,536 PHD video quality and a 160-degree field view, ensuring clear images. It features customizable motion detection, two-way audio, and seamless integration with Alexa devices for smart home convenience. However, advanced features on the Ring Pro 2 require a subscription, and its wired installation might be challenging for some users. The price is also on the higher side. The Nest Doorbell, Wired, provides HD video with HDR, intelligent alerts, and seamless integration with Google Home. Its sleek design complements various home styles. Nest Doorbell requires a subscription for full features and relies on cloud storage. It also demands wired installation, which may not suit all users. Eufy Security Wi-Fi Video Doorbell offers 2K resolution, no subscription fees, and local storage options, making it cost-effective. It allows flexible installation, either wired or battery-powered. The Eufy model lacks advanced motion detection and extensive smart home integration compared to competitors. Some users find its design less appealing. In conclusion, the best doorbell camera depends on your needs. Ring is excellent for Alexa integration, Nest suits Google users, and Eufy offers great value without subscription fees.